Hello and welcome to Bird Barrier. My name is Michael Gallion, and today we are going to cover 5 things that you should know about sparrows. Sparrows are one of the most common pest birds that pest professionals will encounter and can be quite a challenge. Number one, the thing that you should know about these birds is that they are not protected. They're an invasive species. Therefore, you can remove the eggs, you can remove the offspring and all the nesting material in order to protect humans and the damage that they cause. Number two is that they reproduce at a very high rate. If you have a mating pair of sparrows that are allowed to go unchecked, they're going to reproduce as many as 20 offspring within a year. That's how fast they can reproduce. Number three is that most of the time you're going to need exclusion. What we mean by that is a physical barrier that's going to block these birds from access to their deep cavities where they nest. One of these examples here that we see is the most common problem on Spanish tile roofs. You use a mesh material after you've cleaned out. Otherwise, there are different solutions available. Mostly it's about excluding them from access to those nesting cavities. Number four is that the food source should be removed, and they typically feed on grain and seeds. These are, especially in food production facilities where there is even the tiniest amount of spillage, or in retail warehouses where they might sell bird seed or different kinds of grains. Even the smallest amount that falls out of the corner of the bag can be enough to induce a whole infestation problem in a facility. Number five is that there are specific traps just for these birds available so that you can safely capture them and get them out of the facility and prevent them from coming back in. That's basically it. 5 things that you should know about sparrows.